AI is transforming the world around us, helping us work smarter, live more efficiently, and even make better coffee. Stay tuned to learn how AI is revolutionizing your everyday life and how you can make the most of it. Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Let's break it down. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just about robots taking over the world, though Hollywood loves that idea. It's about machines and software mimicking human intelligence. Think of AI as your super smart digital assistant. It can learn, predict, and solve problems. You're already using AI every day without even realizing it. Your phone's face unlock? That's AI. Netflix suggestions, because it knows you'll binge another crime doc? AI. Google Maps guiding you through traffic like a pro? Also AI. AI works through algorithms, fancy word for sets of instructions, that help machines learn from data and improve over time. AI is not just for tech geeks or Silicon Valley billionaires. It's improving healthcare, education, transportation, and even your morning routine. Imagine a world without AI. Chaos, burnt toast, forgotten meetings, missed bus stops. With AI, life becomes smoother and smarter. Healthcare, AI-powered apps help you monitor your health and detect diseases early. Transportation. Self-driving cars and AI-driven traffic management reduce accidents and save time. Work productivity. Automate boring tasks like scheduling, reporting, or sorting emails. Bye-bye, Excel headaches. AI has already integrated into our lives, but few know how to use it effectively. Here's the good news. AI can make your life easier and more productive once you know how to use it. Let's break down a few practical examples. 1. AI personal assistants. Tools like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant help manage tasks, set reminders, and answer questions in seconds. 2. Smart home devices. Control your lighting, security, and appliances with a simple voice command. Save time and energy while boosting your home's efficiency. 3. AI for work productivity. Use AI-powered tools to automate repetitive tasks like sorting emails, generating reports, and scheduling meetings. 4. AI in education. Platforms like Duolingo and Grammarly personalize learning experiences, giving you instant feedback and helping you grow faster. Pro tip: want to get started? Try exploring free AI tools like Google Lens for image recognition or ChatGPT for writing assistance. Here's where things get interesting. How can you use AI to make your life better? Fitness and health. Use AI-powered fitness apps like MyFitnessPal to track your calories or Fitbod to build personalized workouts. AI can be your personal trainer, minus the yelling. Time management. Struggle with organizing your day? Try AI scheduling apps like Clockwise or Motion to block out focus time and plan your tasks. Career growth. AI can help with job hunting too. Tools like LinkedIn's AI Career Coach can help you write your CV, apply for jobs, and improve your interview skills. There are a lot of myths about AI. Let's set the record straight. Myth 1, AI will steal my job. Reality, AI will change jobs, not take them all away. It's here to assist, not replace. In fact, it's creating new job opportunities. Myth 2, AI is only for tech experts. Reality, nope. There are plenty of user-friendly AI tools for everyone, from students to business owners. Myth 3, AI will take over the world. Reality, AI is smart, but it's not that smart. We're safe. For now, recommendations and practical tips. Here's how you can make AI work for you. Stay curious, AI is evolving fast. Keep learning about the latest tools and apps. Start small. Integrate AI into one area of your life first, like organizing your calendar or setting up a smart home device. Explore free resources. Many AI tools offer free versions to help you get started without breaking the bank. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you achieve more. By now, you've seen how AI is shaping our daily lives. So why not take control and learn how to use it to your advantage? At One Connect, we offer digital skills training to help you unlock the full potential of AI and other digital tools. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, we've got you covered. Our services, digital skills training, master essential tools and techniques, community outreach. Join a community that values digital inclusion, expert guidance. Learn from trainers and mentors who know the ropes. affordable courses, high-quality training at prices that won't break the bank, our products, digital resources. Explore ebooks, templates, and other helpful tools. Website design and maintenance. Let us help you create a stunning website for your business. If you liked this video, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you have any tips on using AI? Or is there something else you want to learn? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us create content that matters to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.